Hello, and welcome to Whatcom County Health Department's Food Safety Program presentation, in which we'll be reviewing some of the main Washington State Retail Food Code changes. This video will cover the Refilling Reusable Containers rule change that went into effect on March 1st, 2022. There are instances when a customer may use their own container for refilling foods. Food establishments must submit a plan and obtain approval prior to implementation if interested in allowing consumers to use a consumer-owned container. A written plan must be available on site upon request. In order to refill their own container, the consumer must use a container that is visibly clean. The consumer has options to refill their container with non-ready-to-eat food, bulk food, and packaged food. They can also refill their container with ready-to-eat food when dispensed from equipment, such as a gravity flow unit. Examples of this are granola, honey, spices, etc. If a consumer wants to refill their container with unpackaged, ready-to-eat food in open containers, like in a deli counter or a salad bar, they must request that a food employee does the refilling for them. The types of customer-owned containers that can be used include single-use items, multi-use items such as plastic, stainless steel, or other containers designed to be washed repeatedly, and glass. If using glass, make sure to include a cleanup kit in your establishment for broken glass, and staff are trained on how to deal with broken glass in the food area. Use signage, stickers, or other printed material to inform consumers about proper ways to refill containers. This should include information about container types customers can use, the need for containers to be clean, and the types of foods that can be filled. There are some refilling options that do not require a written plan. For example, any consumer-owned container can be refilled at a water vending station. Consumer-owned beverage containers can also be refilled if they are refilled with a drink for the owner, can be easily cleaned, can be rinsed with fresh, hot running water at the food establishment, and a dispensing system is used that prevents contamination, like a fountain drink machine. Another option is refilling a take-home food container that was initially provided by the food establishment. It may be returned to the food establishment and washed, rinsed, and sanitized by the establishment prior to reuse. These containers should be designed for repeated use and can be refilled with any food. The Washington Department of Health created a toolkit establishments can use to guide them through refilling of consumer-owned containers. This resource is available on our food safety webpage. Thank you for watching.